x infinity a 1 minus r, where is the first term, r is the ratio, y x to infinity. Okay, we also know that sum of a GP is a open bracket 1 minus r square n over 1 minus r. Alright, so say first term is 5 term. First term, okay, we're told that the first, so look for the first 30 terms. Some of the first 30 terms, 2110 over 4 486. Okay, so we have x30 210 over 486 equals a 1 minus r square 30 from the sum of a GP, and also sum to infinity is around this corner. So the sum of the first 30th term is given by equation 1. Sum of the to infinity is given by equation 2. Okay, so we can also substitute equation 1 into equation 2. So we have 5 bracket 1 minus r 2110 over 486, then 1 minus r over r minus 30. So when you cross and multiply, 1 minus r square 30 equals 0.8683. Then the 30th root of 0.1316 gives radius, the ratio, common ratio, to be 0.934. Now we'll go back to the equation 2. Sum to infinity is 5 equals a over 1 minus r equals 5, then a over 1 minus 0.934. So the first term is 0.326. So we'll go back and say, okay, sum of the first six terms, a 1 minus r square n 0.326 1 minus 0.3934 is power 30 over 1 minus 0.934. So you get sum to infinity of the first 6 terms, 1.695. Okay, the next one says you should look for the value of x of this AP. These are rates of progression. Okay, the formula is given by this. So then you substitute. A is this. Common difference is 9x plus 35 minus 5x minus 12. This is the common difference, which is what I've written here. Then you open the bracket, x equals minus 3. So when you do all of that, and then you substitute, x becomes minus 3. Then the first 70 terms can be x 70 over 2 open bracket 3 plus 70 minus 1 close bracket 5. So 70 divided by 2, 35, 2 times 3, 6, plus 70 minus 1 is 69 times 5. First 70th term becomes 12,285. Do not forget that I've gotten the first term by substituting minus 3 back into this, which is what I've done. In minus 3 times minus 5 minus 12, you get 3, and common difference becomes 5.